The Oxobox Package Player offers a single, unified interface to review every component of an audiovisual asset with precision. Playback the main video alongside its audio and subtitle tracks in multiple languages, all perfectly frame synchronized. Visual waveforms and subtitle alignment tools make it effortless to navigate through the content. Secondary audio tracks, such as audio description, commentary, or dubbed versions, can be reviewed, compared, and switched dynamically, enabling agile quality control across all variants. Subtitle files undergo real-time QC analysis with over 50 parameters automatically checked. A color-coded visualization highlights anomalies at a glance, making it easy to identify issues across complex multilingual packages. The built-in version management system lets users toggle between file iterations for validation, ensuring consistency and accuracy throughout the localization process. The annotation system enables seamless collaboration among editorial, technical, and QC teams. Comments can be placed with pixel-level precision on specific frames and may include open questions, process proposals, or approval checkpoints. Post-production workflows and QC loops converge into a single interactive view, reducing turnaround times and minimizing iteration cycles. Annotations can include Oxobox internal QC reports, peer comments, and external QC reports from platforms like Adobe Premiere, Transcoder, and Batten, all time-coded and tracked by status. The entire player runs in a secure, sandboxed environment, fully compliant with TPN Plus standards, ensuring a safe and efficient space for review, feedback, and approval.